Well, friends, I am Naren Kumar Pandey, a business analyst. This is my first video in which I am trying to explain the evolution of marketing. When marketing was evolved, what is the origin of marketing? Where the origin of marketing lies? I will say that when human being came into existence on earth, marketing also came into existence in the same time. Right from the era of Adam and Eve. For example, Adam and Eve, they were residing in gardens, and in garden lot of trees were there. Those trees were producing many type of fruits. It was the tree of apple, mango tree was also there, orange tree was also there, likewise guava tree was there. So many type of fruit trees were there. Now Adam is the owner of apple tree, and Abe is the owner of mango tree. Adam wants to take the taste of mango, which he was not having. Similarly, Abe wanted the taste of apple, which she was not having. Now, question is how Adam will be getting mango and how Abe will be getting apple. Adam approached Abe and told that you give me the mango, in exchange of that I will give you apple. Abe agreed on that because she also had wanted to take the taste of apple. Means against one fruit given by Adam to Eve, Adam was getting another fruit also through exchange process. Means we can say that against a particular product, another product, people were getting. And this process, when took place, here lies the core concept of marketing. And this sort of exchange process where products are exchanged from each other, that is called barter system. Years and years this barter system was adopted. We must have heard that the people residing in Arab countries, they were purchasing spices from Indian state Kerala, and Kerala was buying some another product from Arabian countries. So again, both the countries have got the products which they were not having, and the process involved here in this marketing process was a barter system. Both the countries, after exchange process, they were satisfied. They have done the marketing after dealing with each other, and both the parties have got the products which they were not having. And this process was giving utmost satisfaction to them. Means years and years, thousands and years, this system was adopted. Later on, in later days, the shape of value was taken in monetary terms. There was a role of seller, or there is, rather I should say that there is a role of seller, another is buyer. Seller is having the needed products of buyer. Buyer is having value attached with that which is needed by seller in the form of money. So here exchange process takes place, and here money is involved. Seller is getting money, and against receiving that money, he is providing a product to the buyer which is needed by him. And during this exchange process, utmost satisfaction has been found out by buyer. Buyer is getting utmost satisfaction. So what we have found out, that marketing involves lot of things. There are several core concepts like needs, wants. Need is there, wants is there, demand is there, product is there, value and satisfaction is there, exchange and transaction is there, and there must be a marketing process and marketer. So friends, all which I had wanted to explain is about the evolution of marketing. In my next video, I will explain you, and I will try to introduce the next stage about marketing, and that is introduction of marketing. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Give your review also to me, and if you are liking this video, please subscribe it using the red buttons. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.